How to record Zoom meetings on Android with audio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Zoom on a device. Now simply join to a meeting. Now once you start the meeting, go back to the home screen. Now scroll down the notification panel. Now find the video icon. If you don't find the option here, tap on three dots. Now click on edit. Now find screen recording and tap on plus icon. Now keep holding the screen recording option. Now enable the toggle for record system sound. Now once you enable this, simply start a screen recording. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Zoom and record the meeting. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.